Hey guys, Dave here from iOgrapher. Do you think this looks like me? Check it out. Because I got this bobblehead and it's supposed to be me, but I don't think it looks like me. Does it look like me? Let me know if you think that looks like me. Anyway, more importantly, let's talk about the new iOgrapher Flexible Mini Tripod today on iOgrapher TV. Okay, so here is the new iOgrapher Flexible Mini Tripod, so you can create better video. It's our newest product that we've got going on. I love it because I love taking it everywhere with me. You can see that you can wrap it around things. It's got a 360 swivel head. It pretty much is the tripod that you will use for everything if you want to. If you don't want to bring a big tripod, we'll find somewhere like a pole to hang it on, or a tree limb, or whatever. Lots of options with it. And it comes with a action camera mount, and it also comes with a little phone clip in case you don't want to bring the iOgrapher. Maybe you just want minimal stuff. You're just going to plant your phone, your GoPro, whatever. You're going to plant it, your DSLR, a pole, a tree limb, whatever. This is the one for you. So we're going to look into this and open it up here. And here it is, the unboxing. We'll move that over. So this is going to be your little thing that you need for action cameras, your little action camera mount. And inside here is your phone mount, like that. So we'll actually open this up for a second because we'll demo this one. And then I'll move that over. And then you get your tripod. This is it. And it's super, super bendable. It's got our little logo right there. Looks great, just like a top tripod if you just want to use it on the table like that. No problem at all. And then if you want to start mounting things on there. So first of all, we're going to, of course, put on the iOgrapher multi-case on here. Well, I'm going to drop it once, but we're going to put it on here. Just spin it on. Make sure it's a little bit tight there. We'll do this, and then you're going to tighten it a little bit right there. So now it's totally tightened. You've put in your phone here. You can carry it around. Oh, I want to lay it down like that for a second. It's perfect for that. So we're going to get rid of this for a second, and then we're going to try the big iOgrapher. So we'll test out the, this is the 9.7 iPad. 5th generation, so we'll do that. And here you go. It's looking pretty, whoa, I have to tighten it, of course. So we'll go back up here, and then we'll tighten this mount right there. And now you can see that it's totally tightened right here. It's not going to fall anywhere. So you've got that all set up there. And then we'll take this one off. Easy to come off like that. We'll put it over to the side. And then, of course, if you got your DSLRs, it's got this 1/4-20 on the bottom, so we can mount our DSLR cameras if you're still using DSLRs or whatnot. So there you go with that. It's perfect, works great for DSLRs. So you can mount them like that. And then we'll start using, what about our action camera? So we're going to grab the GoPro. It's got the mount attached already. This also works great for the Osmo Pocket. But I'm actually using the Osmo Pocket on this camera because I love that little camera. And there you go. It's all set up, ready to go. And then you can do some, maybe you want it a little smaller, you start bending it like this. And then there you go. It's perfect. It works great like that. And then when you're done, if you want to put it back to place, really simple, it's ready to go. If you want to start using it as a vlogging stick, you can do that as well. We'll get rid of this for a second. I'll put on this little phone clamp that's included with it. In case you just want bare minimal stuff, you've got the phone clamp. And I'm going to actually put in I don't want to ruin my thing here, but we'll put this in here. Oops. I think I've disconnected, but anyway, here's your phone clamp. So now you can come in here, you can add your lenses or whatever, you know, and just do it bare minimal stuff. You don't need audio or whatever, maybe you're just doing a time lapse. So now we got our phone connected there, everything looking good. And you know, you can also go to the bottom right here and curve it so that you can now have it as a selfie kind of stick. And of course, angle this as you will. You can also just keep it straight to do that as well. But I love the fact that it is it's so flexible, so we can use it for pretty much anything that we want. I think this is a great addition to your iOgrapher stuff. It's only $29. We have it available here on the store and at Amazon. So check it out. This is the iOgrapher Flexible Mini Tripod. And we're going to just do a little more flexing here because we want it to be a little lower on the table. There you go, the iOgrapher Mini Flexible Tripod. Super, super cool. There you go, guys. What do you think about the new iOgrapher Flexible Tripod? Wrap it around anything you want, make shapes. You could probably even use it as some kind of a workout tool for your, I don't know, your wrists or whatever. Anyway, I love this tripod. Goes with me everywhere. I'm super proud of it. Check them out now, iographer.com. The links will be below and on Amazon. And I'm gonna give away 3 of these. So leave a comment below, be entered to win. We're gonna give away 3 flexible tripods. I'm thrilled about them. Check them out now. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Dave Basulto. We are out of here.